By now, you know the deep web is huge, far bigger than the surface web. But knowing it's there isn't enough. You need to know how to find what you're looking for. And that's where most people get stuck. Because the deep web doesn't operate like the surface web. There are no one-size-fits-all search engines. No indexed results with clean page rankings. It's a different world, and it requires a different strategy. So let's walk through how to find valuable information on the deep web, step by step. Step 1. Know what you're searching for. Sounds obvious, but precision is everything. The deep web isn't built for casual browsing. Start with a clearly defined goal. Are you looking for academic research? Archived government data? Specialist forums? Old software documentation? Knowing your target narrows your search method. Step 2. Use the right search tools. We covered several in the last video: DuckDuckGo, Omnia, Base, Core, and others. But let's take it a step further. If you're looking for academic research, try Core. It indexes millions of open access papers. Base, one of the world's largest search engines for academic resources. WorldCat, a global library catalog that helps you find physical and digital media from libraries worldwide. If you're searching through the dark web with Tor, try Omnia, clean, privacy-focused, and filters out illegal content. Dark.fail, a directory of verified onion services. These aren't just tools, they're maps. Step 3. Explore databases and directories. Some of the most valuable deep web content lives in specialized databases. Try the U.S. government's data.gov, massive data sets on everything from climate to finance. CIA World Factbook, deep, reliable data on every country. National Archives, historical documents, legal rulings, and government filings. These sources aren't indexed by Google, but they're gold for researchers, journalists, and analysts. Step 4. Use advanced search techniques. Many deep web platforms still use forms or internal query systems. Get used to using keywords wisely. Use Boolean operators like and, or, and not to refine results. Use quotes to search for exact phrases. And don't be afraid to go deep into link trees or site-specific searches. Sometimes the best info is 5 or 6 clicks away. Step 5. Respect login walls and credentials. A huge portion of the deep web is private, and for good reason. If a site requires credentials, don't try to bypass it. There's a difference between deep web exploration and unethical hacking. We're here to learn, not to intrude. If you're a student or researcher, many of these databases offer free access through your institution. Step 6. Keep records and stay organized. Deep web research can be overwhelming. Keep a research log. Track useful URLs. Take notes on what works and what leads to dead ends. There's no algorithm holding your hand here. You're building your own roadmap. Bonus tip: don't ignore language. A lot of deep web content is written in other languages. Use translation tools like DeepL or Google Translate to access non-English material. Especially useful when looking at government archives or niche communities. The deep web isn't a mystery box. It's a library, but you need to know how to pull the right book off the shelf. With the right tools, the right mindset, and the right strategy, you can find nearly anything. In the next video, we'll shift gears and talk about staying anonymous while you explore, and how to build a private, secure environment from the start. See you there.